Hello, YouTube. Let's go. This is it. This is it. It's simple, but it's nice, you know? Underwater in the Alaskan blue-ass water, clear-ass water. But yeah, underwater chug jug, let's get it. All right, what am I doing? I have to get the sample, that's what I'm doing. What am I gonna make? All right, this needs more high-end. Let's make a plug. Also, we need to get this in D minor somehow. Sounds pretty close. What am I doing? I love warping. It's relaxing. Okay, sick. Yup, that's dope. Alright. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with a wide depth of creative topics. Thousands of creative classes in countless categories taught by actual industry professionals such as illustration, design, animation, film photography, entrepreneurship, and production. They take a learn by doing approach to teaching, where members can share their creations for feedback from teachers and peers. It's an on-demand platform and modular lessons so members can learn at their own pace, no matter the skill level. A lot of the music that I make involves synths, and my favorite synth is Serum. I feel like you can almost never stop learning about Serum because there's so much depth to it. And Aaron here has us covered with the Serum in-depth class.
So if you want to learn this and you want to learn everything, pretty much everything about it, this is going to be the tutorial for you.
Skillshare also fuels continuous growth and learning with thousands of other classes and skills. And especially as a producer, if you're trying to be an artist, there's definitely a lot of different skills and hats you have to wear, such as marketing, branding, etc. And Skillshare has classes on those topics as well. So the first 500 people to use my link in the description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Get started today, link in the description. Go get it. Peace. Back to the video. Decimort. I'm gonna layer my voice, I think, with this. Hold on, chat. Okay. It's like getting cooler, I think. Phil Collins, that beat, it's crazy. Yeah, tonight. It's in the same key. That's funny. Okay, yeah, for sure. All right, cool. That's tight. Should I play the bass? All right. It's lit. Actually, I like the sound of that guitar rig. Put it here, do this. Like some overtone action. Let's do a little synth run. Tight. Love it. Intro vibes. Bubble cuts. Maybe just put that in the second half. And then have just like right here, cut it. Okay, lit. All right, drums. I don't know what kind of vibe I'm going for. I don't really know. I just want some like epic hi-hat. Cool little chop. Kind of crunchy, like a more industrial kind of snare. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. It's kind of crazy, imagine. I don't know why I decided to do this rhythm when I could just do 4 on the floor though. I might just go 4 on the floor, Chad. Hold up. So real. I just really want to stop like defaulting and just making like a bass banger every stream. I'm trying out new shit. Chat, where's my pick? Surely. I'm not really using the sample in the drop though. I feel bad about that. All right, chat. What's the vibe? What's the lyrical vibe here? Yeah, I'm in Alaska. Wait. Ooh, just ooh, just wait. I can just do low voice. In Alaska, oh, just ask her. Ooh, then go falsetto. Ooh, just ask her. Ooh, Alaska. Ooh, just ask her. Ooh, Alaska. Okay, we're backwards here. It's kind of like an Alaskan breakup tune. I need to rhyme with NASCAR though. Eyes closed is good though. Slow it down for the second half. I'm just gonna probably have this like slowed out outro. Hello YouTube, this is my little guy that I made. Showed it Alaska one time.
In Alaska, oh, just ask her, oh, smell disaster, oh, just ask her. In Alaska, oh, just ask her, oh, smell disaster, oh, just ask her. In Alaska.
All right, here we go. Let's see who's gonna win this fucking shit. Let's get some Elo today, chat. How about it? Tote. Better. This is sick. That's a red. Redhead. Arms. Ew. This is super dope. Dave. What the fuck? sir. That was tough. Nice bass sound design. That snare. JB. Super cool. Cute. Cute orange. Roy! Oh, that snare, come on. Luka! Ronda! Blood! Ew! That's right. Solid, solid. Asla. Are you golfing in her picture? Is that an anime kid? This is sick. Have some mercy. What the fuck's this wait for? You broke it. Broke it. Roshi. What? Anime hentai beat. Here, like that. A genius.
God damn.
The song is so now. That was so now. Get 2 halls of that. Come on.
I don't want to be yours, no.
It's DJ.
I don't want to be yours,
This is sick. Nice one. P. Final one. It's gonna clap. It's gonna clap. Submission's fucked. Hard sample today too. Master Roshi, run that. Elias, thanks, brother. What a dub. 1350 for Roshi. Roshi's climbing. Actually, it might be 1400. I don't know if it updates before or after. Thank you so much for coming through. That was a fun but very difficult one for me as well. GG's, YouTube, link in the description for the Patreon. My track will be on there if you wish to dissect it and learn or do whatever type shit. Let's check out the ranks real quick before I dip. Roy in first, tied with Vide. Boom, 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 boom. Roshi with a dub. There's the leaderboard right now, chat. 1475 is the highest, and Diamond's at 1600. So there's a bit of climbing to go to get to Diamond. I think we can do it though before the season ends. The season ends at 16, and we're at 13 next one. But yeah, top 20 is all in gold except for Alpstone, and that's about it. Should we check who the lowest rank is? Because it's funny. 312 contestants is sick. Oh. Okay. Well. Fuck!
Come through to the Twitch. You won't.